This video is sponsored by Armstrong. Visit armstrongtire.com for more information.
Hey everyone, Jason Morgan, editor of Fleet Equipment, and this is Fleet Equipment's On the Road. Let's talk about sharing your fleet service data. You all know that data is streaming off your trucks. Fault codes, efficiency data, safety data, and beyond. And yeah, you own that data. It's yours to share with anyone you like. So how do you do that? Well, first, a warning. Be sure whomever you decide to share your data with, be it an OEM dealer or independent service provider, can transfer and keep your data secure. Data privacy is a serious issue, so ask your service provider about how they're going to handle it. Next, the biggest barrier to data communication is often that information can't be aggregated across platforms. Real-time analysis of service issues is growing more and more comprehensive thanks to telematics and remote diagnostics, not to mention that service providers, technology developers, and OEMs alike are dumping huge amounts of resources into developing their data network infrastructure. If you're just now setting up your fleet's data center, look for a connected system that has the ability to speed up service process via remote diagnostic reports that can provide repair guidance and parts requirements, and that can also integrate into other platforms via APIs. Electronic signatures on documents can enable remote approval for service write-ups and estimates to further streamline the process. Not only could you leverage it to reduce downtime across all of your fleet's assets, but you could also help inform your vehicle scheduling, routing, in fact, your entire asset management plan. For more in-depth truck equipment content, head over to fleetequipmentmag.com. Thanks for watching.